Welcome. You're watching Gatividhi Whips. I am Ashi. I bring to you all the events held at Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies Technical Campus, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University in the month of February 2026. Vivekananda School of Business Studies organized Initio X Kala on 1st and 2nd February. The first day featured debate, case competition, Brandomania 2.0, Spinfluencer, Control Z, The Bidding Bunker, Shark Tank, Sham-e-Nazm 2.0, Nukkad Natak, Prism Rangoli, Race, Pixels and Plots, Mind Your Biz, Battle of the Bands and Ephemera the Fashion Show, followed by a performance by Sunanda Sharma. The second day featured panel discussion, vocalscape, rap battle and group dance performance, followed by the Sufi night by the Nizami brothers. Vivekananda School of Business Studies hosted Wing 26, the 12th edition of Vivekananda International Conference on 5th and 6th February. Arth Vidya of Vivekananda School of Economics organized a seminar on e-commerce by Professor Chanchal Kushwaha, Chairperson Admissions and Associate Professor of Practice in IT and Operations, IILM. Vivekananda School of Law and Legal Studies organized a panel discussion on Changing Paradigms of Indian Criminal Jurisprudence with the introduction of the new criminal laws on 10th February. The panel included Professor Dr. Vageshwari Deswal, Professor, Law Campus 2, University of Delhi, and Dr. Neeraj Tiwari, Associate Professor, NLU Delhi, amongst other esteemed resource persons. Vivekananda School of Economics organized a special speaker session on Why Data Science is the Backbone of Today's Industry, Skills, Jobs and Future on 10th February. The speaker of the session was Ayush Jain, Senior Learning Designer, Tata College of Business. Vivekananda School of Journalism and Mass Communication organized interaction with our alumni, the media entrepreneurs, on 12th February. The alumni for the event were Mudit Kucheria, co-founder, Folklores India and Global Network One, Surbhi Alag, co-founder, PR firm H, Ashima Arora, co-founder, Aruzi Events, and Raghu Kalra, founder, Star Stuff Labs. The placement cell of Vivekananda School of Journalism and Mass Communication organized a session titled Case Study Deep Dive, Successful PR Campaigns and What Made Them Work in collaboration with PR firm First Partners on 17th February. The key speaker for the event was Mr. Dilip Yadav, founding partner, First Partners. Vivekananda School of Engineering and Technology conducted an expert talk titled AI, a Practitioner's View on 18th February. The session was led by Mr. Vineet Mittal, Compact AI. Srijan, the Sustainable Development Goals Club of Vivekananda School of Engineering and Technology organized a blood donation camp in collaboration with All India Institute of Medical Sciences on 18th February. Vivekananda School of Engineering and Technology organized the inaugural ceremony of Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers Student Branch on 18th February. The event was graced by Professor Dr. M.N. Huda, Chairperson, IEEE Delhi Section, as the chief guest. The other members from IEEE Delhi Section were Professor Dr. Sneha Kabra, Secretary, as guest of honor, and Dr. Rakhi Sharma, Senior Member, as the special guest. The placement cell of Vivekananda School of Information Technology organized an alumni meet titled Career Couch 2026 Candid Corporate Conversation on 20th February. Vivekananda School of Law and Legal Studies conducted a panel discussion on ADR in the New Age, Issues and Challenges under the Global Alternative Dispute Resolution Summit 2026 on 22nd February. The Center for Sustainable Development of WIPS TC organized the 4th International Conference on Transforming Mind, Transforming Earth, Education and Climate Action for Sustainable Living in Hybrid Mode on 24th and 25th February. The conference was headed by Professor Dr. Ratan Sharma, Chairperson, Center for Sustainable Development. Vivekananda School of Law and Legal Studies conducted a masterclass series on Legal Theory in Practice on 26th February, delivered by Dilip Uke, Vice Chancellor, Maharashtra National Law University, Mumbai. Vivekananda School of Engineering and Technology organized Rivayat, a connection to traditional and cultural practices and inter-college competition on 26th February. With these, we end the events of the month. Thank you for being with us and watching the activities, the Gatividhis of February 2026 at WIPS TC. We will be back again next month with new updates.